Hey everybody, this is Chris, and today I wanted to show you a really interesting fishing station. We're actually at the Niagara Power Project, which is located in Lewiston, New York. So that's where you clean the fish, and let me show you guys where people are catching the fish. Right there. We've got two massive hydroelectric facilities. This is the first hydroelectric dam built in the planet. And it was actually designed by Nikola Tesla. We're in Lewiston, New York, and there's some guys fishing. Check this stuff out. That's the power of the massive turbines that are creating literally unlimited clean energy. Unfortunately, those that live in the Buffalo area don't get their hands on any of this electricity. It has to be imported down the other side of the lake. Okay, looks like that guy right there just caught a big one. So we're gonna check that out here in a second. But we're gonna also check out this really cool whirlpool jet boat. These things cruise up and down the Niagara River, taking folks on adventure rides up the rapids, which are almost like Class 6. All right, let's head back over to this guy with this big fish. Let's see him reel this sucker in. I'm gonna get a little closer. Wow, so I've moved right down here and we are right next to the water. This is super cool. Well, this guy's landed something. We're gonna check it out and see what he's got. Hopefully he can still keep it on there. What an incredible fishing spot, huh? So he's still fighting the fish here, or the fish is fighting him. We'll hopefully see it here in a couple minutes. It's still out in the water over there somewhere. Okay, so it looks like we got the net ready. Let's see what kind of monster he caught. Oh yeah, baby. Come on, get in the net. There you go. Go check it out. Hey guys, so what did you catch?
Chinook salmon.
Chinook salmon, awesome.
Yeah.
Chinook salmon, awesome. What a spot to be catching fish, huh?
Yeah.
Unbelievable.